Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you. I got contacted by Newcraftday and asked if I wanted to review some of their products. I was able to get 2 products to review, so I wanted to go ahead and share those with you guys. The first one I got, it was, I got a smaller one just to show you guys what the smaller sizes can look like. This one is from Harry Potter. You've got the Elder Wand, you have the Philosopher's Stone, and then you have the Invisibility Cloak. Then you've got the wings back here for Hedwig. So yeah, I absolutely loved this one. I had to get it. I know there's a lot of dark colors in the background, but I wanted to get that one. You can see the picture a little bit better there. Now this one, I believe, is a 30 by 30. It doesn't say it on here, but I'm pretty sure that that's what it was. It was either 25 or 30 by 30. You've got 19 colors, so for this small size, that's really good. You've got all of your symbols here for where to place your drills. You can see the letters and the numbers on here are really clear. And the stickiness on it is really good. I mean, it sticks. Definitely sticks. So I really like this one. I knew I had to get it as soon as I saw it. You get a standard kit with the diamond painting. You've got your wax, your drill boat, and your pen. And this one, I decided to do the round drills. Again, that's a preference for me. I like round drills better. And this one does have the DMC codes. On here, they have the number on the number of the color, but I don't know what the other number is for because it's on all of them. I think, oh, okay, that's what it's for. It's for the reference number. So these are the drills. And I'm not going to take them out of the bag. I will check them all later. You guys know that's how I do it. But yeah, so that is a round one. I definitely prefer round over square. It's just a personal preference for me. I know a lot of people like the square because a lot of times it looks better, but I like how easy the round ones go on. All right, so this one is upside down. No, it's not. Okay, that is the right way. So you've got, I'm going to show you the picture here. That is the picture. You've got your number, and this one actually has the size on it. It is a 40 by 50, so it's quite a bit bigger. And you've got 22 colors in here. It is a St. Patrick's Day type diamond painting. I did get this specifically for someone, and yeah, that will be getting sent to her. But I really liked this one. I thought it looked really neat, and the fact that it has so many different colors of green in it, I thought was really nice as well. And again, you've got the stickiness on here is really, really good. And you can see the drill field on there is really nice and clear. So there's not going to be any issue with that. And this one has a legend in both the diagonal corners, so that's good. Usually with a larger one, you're basically kind of working in sections more, and having that in both places because what I usually do is I will flip them over. Usually after I get the top part or bottom part done, I'll flip it over and work on the top. So it's nice having these in both corners. This one is also around because I thought it would be easier. I don't know if the person I'm sending this to has ever done these before, so I wanted to get something that would be easy. So I got these, and I love, again, I love how they have the number here instead of going the other way, because it just seems that it prints better this way, and you don't risk getting one of the numbers on the perforations. So yeah, I really like it this way. And again, you get the standard kit with it. This one does have more wax because it is a larger picture. And I know some companies will send more than one if you have a really large diamond painting. But I will have all of their information in the description box below. They have really good prices. And there are, most of them have, I think, a set size that they are printed in, but you can see you can get larger ones. And for spending $50 US, you can get 2 free products with their store, and you can get 5%, not 50, 5% off of every order if you use the coupon code Newcraftday 05. And I will have all of that in the description box, so you guys can, I'll have the website for them. I will have the links for both of these diamond paintings, and I will have the coupon code in the description box for you. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.